Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel.
So, hello guys. For today's video, I will show you the steps on how to incubate the seeds in preparation for direct seeding. Hello guys. So, a simple summary for our videos today. So, the first thing that we're gonna do is the look for an accessible place and clean it. Why we should always look for accessible place? Because it would be easy for us if the place is accessible, right? So look for accessible place and clean it. What? The step 2 is take the seed and place it in a dry area. We should take the seed so that the incubation period will start immediately. What? Step 3, wash the seed to remove the odor that causes disease. The seed produces an odor that perhaps may cause it disease. So in order to avoid it, we should wash the seed to remove the odor.
One eternity later.
So therefore, put the seeds in a dry place and cover it for 36 hours. So that is what I have read in our manual. In accordance to what I have learned when I was studying at Farmers Field School in our town, the seeds must be covered properly for 36 hours. And every 6 hours, we should invert the sacks so that the seed would grow at the same time. I hope you have learned a lot by watching my videos. If you want more videos about farming, music, and the like, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and God bless.